Let's see what she does it. Hold on. Come on. Oh, no. She's not swimming the water. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, she was so... your foot. I'm sorry. She was swimming before. No more. No, she did it a little bit.
Mira este. Mira este. What a bum.
Girl, mamas. Why my fingers are freezing? My hands are like... my hands are numb. Hace frío.
Bom, bom, pégalo del techo, rompe la casa. Fibra con cirugía sin grasa. Mueve lo que se empegota con la de langote. Ya la reina de TikTok, la mamá mazota. Baila tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena. Se me paró el tentáculo que te rompe la vena. Yo no te voy a coger pena, lo tengo como una antena. Te voy a comer de desayuno y de cena. Bom, bom, pégalo del techo, rompe la casa. Fibra con cirugía sin grasa. Bom, bom, pégalo del techo, rompe la casa. Fibra con cirugía sin grasa.
Ese culito me tiene pensando, estoy loco, meterle con todo. Estoy que te como todo lo que quieras, está bien rico y se me lo costó. Se ven tan duras que no me importa si son naturales o de silicón. Tengo un bajón de azúcar y esas nalgas te digo real lo que son. Son un bombón, son un bombón, son un bombón, bom, bom. Mueve ese bon, mueve ese bon, mueve ese bon, bon, bon. Son un bombón, son un bombón, son un bombón, bom.
Look at the highlight though. Yeah. Is that girl running? Dude. Honestly, my mocos, it's just really cold. I want to pet you. Come on. Thank you. Oh, you're so beautiful. She's the one that he or she, I'm not too sure what she is or he is, but this is the cow that I've been kind of like been able to grab the most. Hi, hi. Oh, damn, the tongue is kind of rough. Oh, hi. Uy, uy. A ver, a ver, a ver. Come here. A ver. Oh, good girl. A ver, I don't know. I think it's a girl. Alright. No. Don't scare them. Hi. Sophie holding on for his dear life. How long has it been since I've been reading this book? What was that? Yeah. But I'm for real almost done. No. Bájate. ¡Ay, qué hermosa! No. I've been trying really hard not to feed her human food because I don't want her to like become dependent on it. Like the Chihuahuas, they don't eat unless it's like pollo desmenuzado. They be living a good life. Unless they're really starving, that's when they'll eat las croquetas. But I don't want her to become like that. ¿Por qué no? No. I'm so tired. And I wanted to bike it. I was not gonna be able to bike this. La verdad, solamente a mí se me ocurre usar estos tenis y tener que caminar un buen. Broken wings. Did not go as expected. That was so weak. I bought her this toy thinking it was supposedly indestructible. Well, not indestructible, right? But like really hard to break. And she already got the booty open.